We are on board Nauti Nickel, which is an 80-foot Sunreef power cat. This boat can accommodate 10 guests in 5 cabins, of which one of the cabins is a twin cabin for the either teenagers or your kids, toddlers, whichever. Here we've got the jacuzzi, which is a very lovely feature, and better yet, surrounded by a bar, so 2 in 1. It's a perfect boat for 10 guests. Everyone still has enough space to have privacy, and everyone can just be together or separate just for a few minutes to get some privacy. Right over here, you've got a beautiful barbecue for the chef to come up and prepare some magic for you and your guests. In the front, we've got some seating area as well, where the captain navigates the boat while you're underway, which is a really nice place to spend some time while you're underway. This is a very popular space to be seated during navigation. What's really nice is it's a very big and large area. This is all lounging area, and the seats also go up, so you can actually have it as a sunbeds. So all 10 guests can be spoiled with cocktails up front. And if you like, you can also have lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner up forward here as well, as you like. Power catamarans, it's really up to what kind of an experience you want. Sailing is a bit more adventurous, it's a bit more quiet, you get to sail instead of just, being underway with engines. But in terms of power cats, you get from A to B a little bit quicker. So if you feel like you don't want to be underway too long and you just want to put the hammers down, power cats is probably the best for you.